Welcome to Adventure Offroad. Before you hit the dirt, let's walk you through how to set up your Ford Raptor for off-road mode, so you can make the most out of your truck's performance, control, and comfort on and off-road. Step 1. Selecting drive mode. First things first, let's choose your drive mode. Using the mode selector, right at the steering wheel, on the dash, scroll through until you find Baja, off-road, or rock crawl, depending on the terrain ahead. Each mode adjusts throttle response, transmission shifts, and traction control to match your environment. For high-speed desert running, Baja mode is your go-to. If you're tackling slower, rocky terrain, rock crawl is your best friend. This will also change your vehicle from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive. Step 2. Turn off Advanced Track. Next, let's disable Advanced Track. Advanced Track is great for street driving, but off-road, it can limit your wheel's spin and traction when you actually need it most. To turn it off, press and hold the traction control button for about 10 seconds to fully disable it. You'll notice the difference immediately. Your Raptor becomes freer and more responsive to your throttle inputs, delivering power with no hesitation to your tires. Step 3. Customize your settings. Now let's dial in your custom drive settings and save them for the future. Here, you can tailor your suspension, exhaust, and steering feel to match your driving style. Set the suspension to Sport for stiffer damping and better control at speed on hard pack. Switch the exhaust to Baja for that aggressive growl and instant feedback. And adjust your steering. Comfort for cruising, Sport for a tighter, more connected feel. Once you've tried all the settings and have found the perfect match for your driving style, hold the R button on the steering wheel for about 5 seconds, and that will save all the settings from drive mode and the comfort settings. So when you are ready to use your saved or drive mode, double-click the R button, and all your settings should be turned on. Now you're ready to hit the trail. Your Raptor is dialed, your systems are set, and you're in full control. Get out there, make some dust, and enjoy the adventure, the way Ford built the Raptor to be driven. Adventure Offroad, where the journey begins and the road ends.